Locate the installation slot at the bottom of the controller charging dock and attach the controller charging dock to the console wall mount. Take out the charging dock connector screw in the pack. Use it to affix the controller charging dock to the mount. Gently shake the two pieces to ensure they are firmly attached. Position the console wall mount at an appropriate location on the wall and then mark the screw holes in the wall with a pencil or pen. Drill a 6mm hole at each mark. Power drill and drill bit not included. Insert a wall anchor into each hole, ensuring they are nearly flush with the wall surface. Insert the screws into the wall anchors, leaving approximately 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch of the screw sticking out of the wall. Slide the console wall mount onto the screws, and then slide the mount down to ensure it is firmly attached. Tighten the screws with the power drill, not included, to ensure that the console wall mount is firm and secure. The wall mount is ready to be used. Place your PS5 console onto the wall mount. Insert the PS5 connector screw through the bottom of the mount and into the hole in the PS5. Then tighten it securely. Plug one of the USB Type-C connectors into the power input port of the controller charging dock and plug another USB Type-C connector into the console. Place the controllers onto the charging station. Finally, put the headset holder attachment on the PS5 console. Hang your PS5 headset. Setup complete. Please refer to this picture here. Both versions of the PS5 can fit onto this wall mount.